Guys, appreciate you clicking on this video. Like it, thumbs up, leave a comment. It all helps the algorithm, and I appreciate it a ton. Go check out the eBay store. Got a lot of cool stuff on there if you hadn't already visited it. Mock scrapes are selling quick. Go check them out. Check out the Patreon. Lots of cool stuff going to be on there connected to the podcast, Hunt Hungry Podcast. If you hadn't seen that, it's on Spotify and it's got its own YouTube channel. Check that out as well. All right, now that we got that out of the way. So this is a little series I kind of do every summer, and it's like my favorite hunts from last year and a little more in detail. So this first one is the early archery buck hunt. So the only thing you can shoot is a buck. Some people call it a velvet hunt, but there's really no velvet yet, or still, so it's not really a velvet hunt. But I went into this place kind of blind. I had a camera in the area, but I didn't have a camera exactly where I wanted it because it's so grown up and snaky that you really just can't get in there where you want to be. But a place I knew was bedding, or I felt was bedding, and I'm pushing in there as close as I can. Get up in a tree, got good wind. Sure enough, 3 of probably the biggest bucks I've ever seen come out, but they're 60 yards away. And I'm filming with my iPhone, so the quality at 60 yards isn't great, but I think you can get the idea on the video just how huge they were. And if you watch to the very end, there's a cell camera picture of the next day when they came back out. So a very memorable hunt for me because, again, biggest bucks I think I've ever seen on the hoof in real life. 60 yards away, didn't have a clear shot. Just really a neat place. I kept coming back there throughout the year and trying to find them again. Saw a lot of deer, but not those particular deer. So really cool area. I will be there early season this year. You can just about bet money on. So let me know what you think of the video. Leave a comment below. I appreciate you watching. Enjoy. So it is our early archery season here. Velvet hunt, whatever you want to call it, even though none of the bucks are in velvet. So it's buck only. I don't have any high expectations today. I'm going out to public land today. No high expectations. I need to move a camera. It's nice weather. It's kind of a good time to get a test run of just everything and see what you're missing and forgetting, and you know what you need to upgrade maybe here before season opens in another week or two. So going out anyway. We'll see. I've already, for one, I forgot my bow case, so I don't even have a bow case. My bow's just sitting in the passenger seat. Normally trying to have it in the case. So step one is don't forget your bow case. But I think I've got everything else. Like I said, we'll move a cell camera while I'm out here, and if nothing else, we'll get a nice afternoon as some cooler weather's coming in. But hopefully we'll see some deer. So stick around. right, so really good first sit. Had 2 does and 2 bucks. I don't think I got one of the bucks on camera. I couldn't get my phone to come up and record. It was right at getting to be gray light, so the quality's not great, obviously, but so I know where they're at. I know where they're bedding. I know where they're coming out when they get ready to come out of the beds. I thought about going back in the morning. It's gonna be nice and cool, but I don't think I can beat them back to bed. So I think the wiser thing to do would be just don't screw it up and go in the morning, but wait till tomorrow night. Come in tomorrow night, get a tree that's a little closer to where they're coming out of their bed. See if they make that same move tomorrow night, and I should be able to get a shot at them. So anytime you can go at first sit and you're going on public land with no cameras or anything, and you're just kind of going, I think there's a bed here. There's a lot of good bucks hunting in the area, and you see 2 bucks and 2 does. That's a good day. In my book, that's a good day. So hopefully tomorrow we can actually stick one of these with a arrow. So stick around. All right, it's day 2. I'm gonna sneak in. I'm fixing to go radio silent. Sneaking into this bed. Gonna pick a new tree a lot closer to where those bucks were. And hopefully they do the same thing tonight they did yesterday. Alright, so didn't see a thing on that hunt. Really disappointed. I really thought I was on them, and they must have went a different route or stayed in bed longer or something, or just used a different bed. I don't know, but early season buck hunt is in the books, so that's all she wrote. Got to wait a few weeks now for the actual archery deer season to start. So we'll have bear season here in a week or so, and hopefully we'll stick an arrow in a bear. So that'd be a lot of fun, if nothing else. So appreciate it. Like, subscribe, stick around. Thank you for watching.